I have a cabin up in Grand Lake, which is about 2 hours west of Denver, and up there specifically, I mean, we have some of the coolest wildlife ever. We've got black bear, moose, mountain lion, elk and deer, really different kinds of birds, just so many cool, amazing animals to enjoy just checking out when you're up in the mountains. And again, all we really have is a little bit of mosquitoes, and that's about it. We don't have gnats, we don't have all that kind of stuff. So anyways, just a very calm, easy to deal with type environment out here. And as long as you're prepared for a little bit of this weather extremes with blizzards and maybe some of the wildfires, outside of that, I think we're very blessed and very lucky to have, a very easy to deal with climate here in Denver.